Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learn about HTML form attributes. In HTML form attributes, we learn about action, target, method, etc. I hope you learn and enjoy a lot. For any query or issue, please remind me in the comment section of the previous video. Today we will learn about HTML form element. There are different form elements. That is input label, select, text area, button, field, set, legend, etc. Right, I will explain you with an example one by one. So let's get started now. I will open my editor. I will make a new file. I will set the title of a web page. I will save the file. First of all, I will tell you about one of the most important and used a lot element is the input element, right? The input element displayed in a lot of different ways. I will start the input tag. The type is the text. In type, there are a lot of different values: text, password, email, date, etc. I am telling you about the input element, right? So I will type here the simple text, right? I will save it and reload the page. This is the input field, right? All the different values of the type attribute will discuss in the next video. After input, I will tell you about the label. You see it, it shows the text field, but we do not know what for what purpose this input field will be used. So for this, I will use a label element, right? For label, I tell you label start, label end. For this label is for this field, right? And I'll set the label name. I will save it and reload the browser. You can see it. I will zoom it. Right, you can see it. Now the person knows this field is for this purpose, mean for name, for entering the name of a person, right? Now I will tell you one more element is the select element. The select element is usually for drop down list. In select there is an element use option. The option element defines an option that will be displayed in the select list, right? I will type the option. Sorry. Value Lahore. I will copy paste, right? So it will save our time. Karachi and Pindi. I will save it and open in a web browser, right? Paste it here, right? Sorry. I will reload the page. Now you can see it. In drop down, it shows the name of cities, Lahore, Karachi, Pindi, right? In select, we can use the size attribute to specify the number of visible values, right? Here I will type size 2. You can see it. I will save it, reload. Now the two values are shown when page is open, right? Third option will be visible when we drop down the mouse, right? Now the one more important uh, input element is the text area. Text area used when we want to enter a large amount of data. Large amount means 3 lines, 4 lines, 100 lines, 200 lines data, etc., right? Details, I said that. Title details. I will save it and reload the page, right? Now you can see it. I will make it little bit more in line. So for this I will use the line breaks, right? Professionally we are using the CSS to make it beautiful, right? You can see it. Name, select city, and you can see it. Here I type more data, right? One more important element of form is the button element, and the button element is the clickable button, right? You can see button and type button, save. You can see here it shows the save button. Now I will tell you about the field set and the legend element. The field set element is used to group related data in the form. I will make one more form and tell you about the field set and legend, right? Related data set field set, right? I will show the label for email, input type email, name email, right? Password, But I will save the form and show. It shows the related data in a field set, right? There is a border around the form. Sorry, here I will show the email. Label are not visible, but sorry, password. I will save it. It shows the related data in a field set, right? There is a border around the form. Sorry, here I will show the email. Label are not visible, but sorry, password. I will save it. Right. But now I will tell you about the legend. The legend defines the caption for the group of element means for so inside the field set we will define the legend. I will save it and reload the browser, right? Now you can see it shows the login form. I hope you understand and learn a lot. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section of the video. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. This is the love from you to my channel if you subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.